Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This time guys, I am going to make a headband or a forehead headband headpiece. So this is from a place that I've made one of my video. So this one can be used here on the forehead and tie it at the back like this one for fashion stuff. And now I am going to make a headband headpiece using this denim fabric flower that I've made earlier. So I also have this one in one of my video, so you can check it out guys on how to make this one, but I will still show you on how to make a flower like this one. So without further ado, let's make flower from denim, and later on we will make a headband headpiece using this flower from denim fabric. So guys, I will show you guys on how to make this denim flower here. So this is very easy. Just fold it into five, because this one is here is five petals. So 5 petals of flower is perfect. 2, 3, or 5. So it's rolled into 5 petals. Okay, and then make it equal size or equal part, and then just cut it into curve like a petal of a flower here. So you can draw it if you want to draw a curved line on it, but if you're good at curving like this one, no need to sketch. So this is it guys, and just sew it this way. Wait, this one, a running stitch. Okay, a running stitch will do. Just this one, a very easy one. Because we will going to shrink it later. So this is it, right? And now we are going to form it this way. So now it's already a flower, right? So this is it. This is the flower. Now I'm going to put the sequins here. The sequins, this one, instead of glass beads. I also have glass beads, but I prefer to put this one here just to style it. That's already done. And I have to secure also the back of the flower. And this is it. Now it's done. Now I am going to put it here. So as I said earlier, guys, this will be 2-in-1. This can make a headband headpiece, and at the same time this will be an armband here. Okay, so I will show you later. It will become like this one, and at the same time a headband headpiece. Okay, so I will show you on how to make it. So I will put it here already now. So this is stretchable or elastic or garter, I may say. So I'm going to put it like this. I will make it long so that I can put it on my head. So I'll put the bigger one first. So the bigger flower here first. And I am going to sew it here. Okay. It's like for this can be used for at any age, you know. This can be used for children, a little bit older than the children. What is that? Or teenager. This can be used also. So this is for all. This is for all ages. There's no age barrier in here of using a headband, headpiece, or an arm band. This is just for styling your when you're wearing a t-shirt. You can wear an armband, stylish armband. But when you're wearing this one is for forehead, this can like make your forehead smaller. To those who have a problem with a little bigger forehead, this can help. To those who have a bigger forehead, I also like have a slight bigger forehead, so I always use this one so that it can cover my forehead. So just like this. This is just very easy. No need to complicate our lives to make things. Just make simple one. Enjoy life. Okay. So guys, this is it. Okay, but this not yet fully finished. I will just show you guys what does it look like. So this is how you use it. For example, you have a bigger forehead, so this can cover your forehead, a bigger forehead when you use this one. So I will remove my headband so you can see. This also can make your headband also here, or you can put it here this way and tie it at the back. Okay, so now I will show you on how to make this, turn this into armband. Okay, so to turn this into an armband, I am going to put a garter behind of the flowers. So this is how it looks like later when we tie. I am going to put it here. This. So this is how it looks like. Okay. So this can make a forehead headband headpiece like this one, right? And tie it at the back. So this is it, to cover your huge forehead, and at the same time it can be an armband this way. I will show you guys on how to. So this is how, let's see, and then you will just tie it behind. Okay, so this is how it looks like, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you get an idea from me on how to make a headband headpiece, and at the same time an armband. Okay, made from denim flower. Thank you so much, guys. God bless to all of you. Bye for now.